Alright, we're here at the Chouteau building.
I'm not recording yet. Now
Yeah.
you're having to wait on me.
I'm waiting on you. We're at the Chouteau building here in St. Louis.
Hold on.
Here's what the building looks like.
All right, y'all. We are at the Chouteau building here in St. Louis, Missouri.
We thought we found
Wait
something
till we
different.
see what's in here.
Oh, yuck.
Look at this lobby. We have a beautiful lobby. And wait till you see these amazing elevators.
Oh, that looks like the Heritage building almost.
Press down.
Oh. Are you thinking what I'm thinking?
Nah, it's just...
No race.
See, look at this. These buttons are interesting, though. I've never seen these before. Here we go.
That's epic. Wow. I'll press the button.
These are on the original controller.
I wonder why there's a down if there's no basement.
We'll definitely ride the other car.
Oh yeah, there's our friend, Mr. Security. Look at these buttons though, yucky.
GAL, actually, I think. These are...
I wonder what these had originally. So that indicator looks like GAL.
I don't know. These have been...
Of course, like I said on the records, it said General/White on
These are
it.
some slap knots. We'll take a silent trip on the other car because this has excellent relay logic action.
Mm-hmm. It sounds like it's down here. Are these bottom drive?
No, they're overhead.
I didn't think so. I didn't think they were overhead.
All right, let me press the up button. Look at that. They both respond.
Look at this indicator.
Basement is locked.
Let's head us up to 7. Oh, that's where the basement is.
Go up to 7. Let's listen. Watch this.
See the circuit view out there?
Look at this. This is a view. You can see there's...
What if we're gonna lose our elevator?
Is that downtown over there?
Where?
That's over towards Slough.
Slough. Downtown's over there.
There's a grain elevator. And look at this. Look at this, Jason. Classic wraparound steps.
Oh, I might have to take a picture of that.
I'll have to tell you, this building is pretty...
This is an old building.
I mean, like I said, sure, it's a slap-on mod, but these elevators are on an old relay logic controller, you know? You can push it. Let's listen to go now. Listen to these relays. This is an epic elevator.
It is, even though it was modded. This is pretty epic. No, that is. Look at those indicators. Those are awesome.
Those are actually new, I believe.
Look at those.
Look at those are actually pretty new, I think. But yeah, what do you think about this place?
These are awesome. I gotta get a picture of that
And now
staircase.
guess what? Still picture down.